Hello my friends, so here I have some new pullers which are made by Nexus Abzieher on German, or Abzieher as you want. Here you can see the series and the numbers of every puller. Now I will remove them from these perfect boxes and show you what is inside. So I have removed them from the box. Here you can see this is this. This was in this box, ball joint extractor, and another one 3-leg puller is this. Once again, if you want to know the part numbers or series of the pullers, these are made by Nexus. Nexus is well-known German brand which is specialist in pullers, and I was highly motivated to try their pullers. And let's start from this guy. This is ball joint puller for definitely W210 Mercedes. This will work with another cars, of course. This has the diapason in which this works, and that's why mainly I bought it. You can check the part number of it online and you will see what application is suitable with this guy. To be honest, I don't like this machining. I don't think that German made tool or any item should look like this. Very rough and very ugly casting here, but this tool is made for suspension parts, and it is not a big deal for me that it don't looks very attractive, but in overall I like that German made puller was a little bit better casted compared to this. I have not used this yet and cannot argue what is the steel and what is the strength of it, but I think that there will not any issues. Standard ball joint remover made by Nexus, made in Germany. Now let's move forward and see another puller we have here. This is a three-leg puller. Here it is, the little guy. This is adjustable. The jaws have 2 holes for short and long reach. Here I cannot say anything wrong about it. I like it very much. The quality is top here, guys. Made in Germany, made by Nexus. The washers and the nuts can be adjusted to allow the legs move freely. When I removed them from the boxes, they were tightened and the jaws were very fixed, but I loose these bolts and now the jaws move very freely and smoothly. The main shaft, here you can see how it moves, also very solid movement. And in overall, here you can see how the puller is machined. Once again, I have nothing wrong here with this puller. The quality is top here. The quality is following what you can expect from the German-made tools. Here are the legs. They are changeable. If you broke the leg or damage it, you can order it separately from the Nexus. Actually, these pullers were brought to me from Remscheid directly. Nexus is located in Remscheid. Once again, I like this 3-leg puller very much, and I think that this is very good investment from me. Otherwise, I will try to use it somewhere and share with you the result, how it will work, but I think that it will work flawless, very good. And the next and last one I have here to share with you is the big guy. This is 2-leg puller, which can be also adjusted to make longer or shorter the jaws. Also the bolts and nuts were very directly tightened here, and the jaws were fixed, but I loosened them and now they move very smoothly and freely. This type of pullers are good to remove the bushings from the control arms, and you can use them in many situations, guys. There isn't one instruction where can this type of tools can be used. If you are wise and you can think, you can decide to use this type of tool in some work process, and it will allow you to do the job rightly. So this was last one available in stock, and I ordered it without any hesitation. So guys, in overall, these are once again German-made pullers made by Nexus. This is well-known company. Once again, I want to mention that I like these pullers due to the adjustable abilities, I mean the jaws, and also I like them because at the end of the shaft they have balls, and it is very good. The puller will not damage anything during working process. Some pullers have the pins and I don't like that pins. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was enough informational. Do I recommend these pullers? Yes, of course. They are cheap. No, they are not cheap. You can check them on eBay. But in overall, I think it is good investment for me. If you like this video, please make sure to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episodes.